Construction is going to be starting next month, so we just wanted to meet with a bunch of the businesses that are here in the area, talk with them about the project, answer any questions they have, talk to them a little about the timeline and schedule.
Is that a divider right there?
Right off the bat, we're going to go into a 5-lane configuration, and that means we're going to narrow down the lanes, we're going to narrow the shoulders, but we're hoping by going to 5 lanes, it'll make the impacts not quite as bad. So we want people to be aware they're going to be traveling through the work zone, that it's going to be tighter, to pay attention. And then also one of the big ones is the Triumph Boulevard. We'll have a structure that goes over I-15 with access to I-15.
Excited to see it started. Used to work up here myself almost 4 years ago. The congestion wasn't bad then, but I could see it coming. We've seen it growing all the time. So we knew as the business growth developed, there was going to be significant traffic growth and pressure on the transportation system. But I have a feeling when it's all done and all the orange cones are picked up, people are going to be pretty happy with the result.
It's a big deal for UDOT, it's a big deal for the people in the area. We want to get it going. The quicker we get going, the quicker we can get done.